What's going on, B Nation? I hope you guys are doing fabulous. So today's video is why I haven't watched TV in 10 years. Why I don't have cable. I don't tune into any of the news. And this wasn't always like that. Before, I used to watch a lot of television. I used to have to watch a certain TV show every Tuesday or Thursday. And the reason how this all started, where I don't have any cable anymore, is I was doing renovations and decided to take out cable to save some money. And then I realized, you know what, I actually have so much more time not watching TV. And I've realized, you guys, that a lot of the television out there, the news out there, you guys know a lot of it is fake news to get our attention and to take our time away, really. A lot of the news is also fear-based because they know that sells, which can create a lot of anxiety and fear in someone. So after you've watched this program, it's now replaying in your head and you're thinking about it. So a lot of this television and news and certain programs, they can it's a lot to do with programming of your mind and also playing on your emotions. So for me, what I've come to realize is that I actually have a lot more time, and because I'm not tuned into that, I'm actually tuning into more things that I want to do that will, help me and help you guys. And so with tuning out of all this news and stories, a lot of it is just made up stories, it has really helped my life. It's really enhanced my life, and I'm a more happier person just from tuning out of it. What the news does is they use a lot of repetition. They use even sound. So if I were to say ba-da-ba-ba-ba, a lot of you guys will know what that is. We can easily be programmed through repetition, habits, sounds, and if this is repeated over and over, like a lot of the commercials out there, it's gonna stick with us. And so how I'm letting you guys know, even in terms of the health aspect, is a lot of, say, the dairy commercials or the fast food commercials. They'll have these sounds, and then they'll also portray a very happy event, because that also plays on positive reinforcement. So we'll associate these foods with what is being portrayed in the commercial. So you may see a happy family or a happy dog or a happy cow, when in actual reality, that's not what's going on. So I'm really here to wake you guys up from a lot of the mass illusion that's going on, a lot of the programming that's going on with our minds. And I'm here to tell you that, from my own personal experience, I used to want to live through celebrities. I'd watch celebrities, I'd watch, what's going on out there. And then I realized it's taking up a lot of my time, and we're all great beings, we're great souls, and each one of you has such unique talents and abilities that you may not have even explored, maybe just like me, because your time and energy was taken away through something else, through watching someone else. And I used to live vicariously through these, celebrities or whatnot, when in fact I was like, you know what? All of us are part of this infinite universe, the cosmos, and we each have something that we can bring out. And so we don't really need to live our lives for other people. We can start with ourselves, and you guys are the stars. You don't have to watch all these celebrities doing their own thing. Each one of you guys can be your own star in your life. And it's really about creating the life that you want to see. And your time is your greatest currency. So whatever you do with your time, that is your wealth. That's your greatest wealth, as well as your health. Don't fall into the traps of the repetitive commercials, the repetitive news out there. It does cause a lot of fear and anxiety, and that's not the world that I'm living in. That's not the world that I want you guys to live in. I'm all about creating a positive, healthy, happy world. And of course, it's not always going to be like that. We got to have the contrast. That's how we have activity in this world. But try doing more of what you love. Try spending more time doing things that you enjoy. That's going to bring you fulfillment, you happiness, and purpose. And that's what I'm here to share. And really what I'm doing here with my time is, I'm learning guitar, I'm learning music, I'm, exercising, getting out. I'm doing lots of different things, and this is just to really empower you to do the same, whatever that is, and really play your own tune, that you have the control, you have the power, you always did. Now you can create the world that you want to see for yourself. And it's going to take some time, it's going to take some of your own energy, but it starts today, and then that will just compound over time. So whether that's taking an hour or half an hour, putting it towards something that you want to do, it's going to help you in the long run, and you'll notice things are changing, things are manifesting to how you desire. And for me, taking out these programs, the fear and the anxiety, and turning my focus away from that and focusing on something that I want to do, is such a better, healthy state for your mind. So really try to analyze what it is that you're focusing on. If you find it's bringing you anxiety, if it's bringing you too much fear, change your focus. Focus on something that's going to bring you happiness and joy and life. So thanks so much for tuning into this video. Kind of just went off there, but I hope you get what I'm saying. For me, it's really about doing more of what I love, and I just want you guys to do the same. And a lot of you may be wondering, where do you get the time and energy? Well, it starts by your focus and wherever you put your attention. Remember, time is your greatest currency, and we want to utilize that as much as possible. So thanks so much for tuning in. And as always, be alkaline, be your beautiful selves, and be getting in some of whatever you want to do time, whatever brings you happiness.